I'm so tired, but oh my gosh, I always look this way like, oh my god, NEC, but oh my gosh, if you look this way, it's beautiful. The crows are in the sky. I had to leave a note saying thank you. Not enough time to drink them. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to drink any beers from the team, but I need to get going right now because I'm already late to get to the airport to go to Spain.
Boardings like this where it's just nice and peaceful and majestic.
So, for everyone wondering what's going on and where the hell I'm going now, the ideal dream would be to have gone to sleep, non-stressed out, relaxed, and headed back to England. I say England, I'd go to Manchester and had a really good night's sleep sort of thing at home. But unfortunately, in a random series of events, I look like a potato. I am super tired after 45 minutes sleep from last night, and I'm going to Spain.
Oh my god, Billy lad, I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan of your videos.
We won! We made it through security! High five, very nice. I know, very much. We managed to beat all these guys through security. Vanos, Luke, Dana. Yeah, fuck yourself.
Well, we almost missed this fucking plane, but we're about to make it. On-side to Barcelona.
Prepared as a motherfucker for this flight. I managed to steal this of Hillary, and I shall sleep. I am so tired, but we are in the sky. Next stop, Barcelona in 2 hours. I wake up and the plane looks like it's on fire. Okay, that's interesting. Espanol, we have arrived. Feels a little bit warmer. I did sleep the entire time, so that's great. And the weather, overcast. We're in Spain, and it's raining. When it rains in Spain. And this is our little vehicle to show for us where we need to go.
Oh, Luke in Spain, pushing a guy's car who's broken down. How adorable.
So right now we are in Barcelona visiting our friends at Socialpoint. We're just checking out their offices and stuff like that. Look at this space. They've got like this whole marble section out here, which is so dope. Like a full wall worth of artwork.
And they've got like amazing views all around the office. It's like all the way that way. They're just having a meeting down there. All the way down that way. It's all the freaking ocean. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. What? Evan, look. You ready? Why is that? Are they playing? Why do you have parrots?
I don't know. But they're fun.
This is unreal. Oh, he's like trying to get me with his tail.
Okay, say Alice.
Alice.
Lua.
Alice.
Oh.
There you go. Thank you. Oh my gosh. What a weird experience this is. Really did not expect to bump into this little fella. What's his name?
Lua.
Lua. Well, very nice to meet you. Thank you for spreading your wings and saying hello, sort of thing. But yeah, my mind is officially blown right now. Like, this is a full-time job to just like chill in the office with parrots. Incredible.
This one does not look up. Oh no, look right at me. It looked right at. Why is it staring at me? Uh-oh. Someone's going to end up losing a finger. Oh, what is he doing? This is so odd. Are we going to find like alligators in here or something like that afterwards?
Little Vanos owl. That one looks like it's about to get off. So they get to play football all day, and then when they fly home, look at the size of their house. This is ridiculous. This is so big. They've got so many toys. They get to play table football. They just chill around here, like land on these things. What an amazing life these birds live. I'm afraid to say, wait, it's robbing someone's jacket. It's like, oh man, what are you doing? What are you doing down here? You're doing it wrong. You're supposed to be flying. You fool. Just because I said you were doing it wrong doesn't mean you can attack the decent. Hey, Parley. Oh no! It's going for shit. No! What are you doing to me? Get attacked. Look at it. It's like, how can I cause this human pain? What is this?
No, that's
What is
no
this?
longer anything of interest.
It's like, it's getting nowhere.
Shoelaces.
Oh, please, get on the shoe. Oh. You're having fun here? I've curled my feet like this. So bad. He's like, where are your toes?
Can you not be doing this right now?
Oh, distracted. Distracted.
What is this?
Oh. Nah, the parrot's coming for me. It knows I'm over here. Oh no. Oh no. The women have scared it off. Oh, wrecked. Get denied. You trying to close the door?
This is what you call a playful office. They got a bloody swing in here. Even though there's a crack in the ceiling, I'm trying to not think about it too much and just hope for the best. That is so cool. Flipping heck. Damn. Easily the best room. Whoa, this is the games room where everyone gets to kick back, enjoy themselves and chill out. We got projectors, we got ping pong, football table. We've got rock band over here, IRL version. We got Iron Man, a fully stocked up fridge. What's around the corner? They have a basketball machine? What? This place gets even better. Popcorn machine. Oh. It smells so good. You just lift it up to get some? I don't get it. As much as I love my house in the UK, this would be like my dream apartment setup. Like all open plan over here, a divider here like this just to hide my bed, and then a bed behind it, like lounge, gaming area, kitchen, everything like that. Like this. Oh, what? There's a barber's in here. No way. This place is incredible. Barbers, gaming room, cinema, more games. What can you ask for?
Introducing the greatest band of all time. The Leg Skins. That's your names. The Leg Skins.
Oh. 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 Okay, we need to kick loose from the band. We just spent a full straight hour jamming. Hey, Evan, high five you. That was fucking awesome. We absolutely killed it. And by that I mean Evan was the only talented one out of all of us, so yeah. The rain finally disappeared and it opened up. Madrid, no, Barcelona is looking beautiful. There it is, the coastline. Looking mighty damn fine. I think we're going in there for dinner. I'm like in heaven right now. Oh my gosh, I'm surrounded by ham. Yes, and what is this called? Sangria. Whoa. I start vlogging and all of a sudden I hear them talking about stuff. What are you doing? No promoting the game. I'm gonna try this because the last one I didn't like. Don't download anything.
That's not social.
Holy shit, we made it into like a full-on hookah thing. This is sick. Oh my god, this guy's got fireworks hanging out of this bottle. Oh shit, what up? Oh shit, son. Oh shit. Yeah.
If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but
Chance.
I got 99 problems.
If you got help, drop this. Oh my goodness me, am I one tired British person in Spain right now? The reason for that is I actually have no idea how I got home last night. Oh my gosh, I sound like the worst person ever, but I genuinely don't know how I got home. I spoke to Vanas and he was like, we got a taxi, so I was like, I don't remember that. Nonetheless, I made it back. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've got meetings all day, and then we're heading to Ibiza. So tomorrow's vlog, I will be partying at HYDE in Ibiza, and I'm pretty sure we're going watching Steve Aoki, like VIP sort of access. So you guys can check that out tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the new daily vlog. So until lost my voice. So until then, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like rating, and make sure you subscribe for more daily vlogs.